Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Importing a VCF file, also known as a vCard, into Microsoft Outlook is a common task. This file type efficiently stores one or more contact entries. Getting these contacts into your Outlook address book is quite simple. First, begin by opening the Microsoft Outlook application on your desktop computer. Ensure Outlook is fully loaded. Next, navigate your mouse cursor to the top left corner of the Outlook window. You will see a tab labeled A File. Click on this eFile tab. A menu will drop down. From this menu, locate and select the option named Open and Export. Clicking this will reveal further options. You then need to choose Import, Export. This action launches the Import and Export wizard. Inside this wizard, you'll see a list of different import and export actions. Scroll through or look for the specific option that states Import a vCard file.vcf. Select this option carefully. Once selected, click the Next button to move forward. A standard File Explorer window will now pop up on your screen. This window allows you to find files on your computer. You must browse to the exact location where your VCF file is saved. Once you locate your VCF file, click on it once to highlight it. After selecting the correct VCF file, click the Open button. Outlook will then automatically process and import the contact information from that VCF file. These newly imported contacts will instantly appear in your primary contacts folder within Outlook. They are now fully integrated and ready for use, just like any contact you manually created. This method makes adding vCard data to Outlook quick and easy.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.